Hey, what's up guys, it's Barkut here and welcome to the Google Ads course. And in this lesson I am going to cover how to add negative keyword when you run a Google ad campaign, and this is the most important thing you need to maintain if you want to really get some good results from the Google ad campaign. So let's get started and I will show you each and everything in this video. So to add negative keywords on the Google ad campaign, you just need to log in your Google Ads account first, and once you have some campaign running, you will see, because I don't have this campaign running, so I can't see any search terms here. So you just need to make sure that you are blocking all of the search terms from the campaign level or maybe in the account level. But I believe before running ad, you will have to some negative keyword list on the account level. So to show you how to add negative keyword list on the account level, just click on the tools and settings and just click on the negative keyword list, and here you can see this is the negative keyword list dashboard. So to add negative keyword list, I just click on the plus button, and probably I will use this like general, so it's a name. So yeah, you can name it whatever you want. So and I will add some, let's say WH question, what, how, where, and who, let's say TV, something like this. Except targeted keyword or targeted phrase, you need to exclude all of this from the campaign level. So this is the first thing. So I will hit save for now. So here is the most important thing. People make mistake on this phase, so they just create this negative keyword list and they say, and they just say that it will apply all automatically on the campaign level, but it's not. You need to apply it on the campaign level. So to add on the campaign level, just click on this and apply on the campaign. So I just apply, and it will apply on the campaign level, like my campaign level. So this is the most crucial part people are missing. That's why after adding the negative keyword list, or maybe after creating the negative keyword list, their campaign is still wasting money on the garbage clicks as well. So this is the first thing, and we successfully created some general negative keyword list and we applied on the campaign level. So to add more, I will click on here, and it should be like competitor or something. So I just hit come. So to add competitor's brand name or competitor's name, so let me show you. Just need to go to the Google, and I am using a tool. It's called GS Location Changer. So let's say my client is from Dallas, Texas. So I will just write Dallas, Texas, and just hit fake location enabled, and I will just search, let's say tree removal companies near me, and you can see there are like lots of tree removal services. And this is the beauty of this extension. So this extension shows exact ad or exact copy, everything from that exact location. So once you are on this page, we will just go to the Google business, my business profile, and just hit on the more business and see these all are competitors. You just need to block all of them, and also you just need to make sure that you are blocking these brand names like Southern Botanical as a phrase match, Torres Tree Service, something like this. I just need to make sure that Torres Tree Service as a phrase match on here on this negative keyword list. Let's Torres Tree Service as a phrase match on here. So I hope you have something on your mind that if we use phrase match tree service, will it hamper on our campaign? I mean, is there any effect on our campaign or something? But it's not. So I just want to show you something real quick. So this is the guide from Google Ad, how you can add negative keywords. So if you just follow this guide, and you will see here, so here is a couple of examples. So negative phrase match or something. So see, running shoes. If we use running shoes as a negative keyword on the campaign level or on the account level, whatever, as a phrase match, so this for blue tennis shoes, our ad will shown, and running shoes, our ad will be shown. But blue running shoes, our ad will not be shown, because it's exact, like it matches word by word, like running shoes, and shoes running, our ad will be shown. Running shoes, our ad will be not shown. So I believe if we use Torres Tree Services, unless people are searching Torres Tree Services, our ad will shown every time. If they searches like best Torres Tree Services, our ad will not be shown. So this is the beauty of the phrase match. If you use the phrase match on the negative keyword list, it will not hamper on your campaign, to be honest with you. So don't be worried about these things. I use a map scraper or any types of like Google search scraper or something, so that I can easily fetch all of the competitors from my exact location what I need typically, so that I can export easily from my campaign level and or maybe on the account level. So this is the beauty of using any types of scraping tool. There are lots of scraping tool, you can use any of them. So there is, or maybe you can do manually. So I don't think so it's worth it to do manually, so that's why I just use like any types of map scraper or any types of scraper. I think it's fine to use. I believe you got my point, how you need to like create these types of negative keyword list on the campaign level. This is the most important thing. If you don't create the negative keyword list, eventually you are wasting money on Google Ads, trust me. So make sure that you are adding proper negative keyword list on the account level first, and you just need to make sure that you apply this negative keyword list on the campaign level. So same thing to apply on the campaign level, just click on this campaign, select the campaign and just hit apply. It will be applied automatically on the campaign level. You are checking all of the search terms at least like once per week. So this is the most crucial part. If you don't check your search terms frequently, that means you are wasting money. There should be like lots of garbage. You need to exclude the garbage from the campaign level, and you need to like make sure that you are blocking all of the competitors, so that you don't spend any types of your budget on this kind of clicks. Because competitors, if a visitors knows the competitors names and they found your ad, they will not eventually convert, because they know the competitors name, they know who they are. So eventually it's a kind of waste of money to run Google Ads for the competitors or competitor campaign. So probably you will not going to do this, I believe. So that's all for today, and I hope that you like this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button of this video and subscribe this channels to get this kind of tips and tricks for Google Ads. So for now, have a great day, bye bye, and I will see you in the next one.